get the damn pilot here.
Hey, Christian.
What's going on?
How you feel about the tips?
You got anything today?
Mr. Christian?
You got anything today? Exactly.
I'm discussing more squat.
Let's just put that 2-inch in.
I'm about to.
All right, let's do it. Buy it. We'll go to Austin's house. We'll jack that bitch up.
There we go. I got the tips on. Ooh, and my bumper too. That shit looks nice. But yeah, let me know if you like it. Yep, it's a few days later. It's dark outside, as you can see, so we're gonna get a good old cold start. Yo, I'm back. It's a few days later. I went and hung out with my friend. I went and stayed at his house for like a few days. But, okay, I fucking heard like a loud ass pop whenever I pulled up the driveway, so... the fuck is that whining noise? I don't know. Let's see. Did we see any damage? Is there a fucking cricket in here? I don't see a cricket, but okay, look. Look. Bam. There we go. So basically, yeah, okay, I gotta come back over here. Yeah, so as y'all saw, I got the tips on. I wasn't even like, after I got it, I went straight to my friend's house and then I went, spent a night. So I didn't really get to finish the video, so this is like 4 days after. But yeah, I like them a lot and it makes my truck sound better. Okay, just like we should do, let's hit the freaking box. See me a little bit. So basically, I like the way it sounds. Y'all might not be able to hear it on camera, but it actually sounds better than what it used to. I didn't know big tips were gonna make it like sound that much better, but dang, that's crazy. But as y'all can see, I still don't have a radio. So yeah, that's always fun. It's around here, so it's either that's the old one, so it's this one. Yeah, we'll put it in eventually. And I got the, of course, the infamous Walmart tweeters. So basically, they're gonna hang from here like every other person does in the South. So yeah. Yeah, this is really just a short video. I might be making a video, like, recording tomorrow, going to an ATV park. But yeah, I don't know yet if I'm going, but if I do, y'all will see the video. But yeah, if y'all enjoyed this video and y'all like the tips, make sure to like and subscribe. Share the channel with your friends. I'm trying to grow. And make sure to go follow me on Instagram. It's at 843_Frosty, all lowercase. So yeah, y'all go follow me on there. Go subscribe on here. Y'all just run up everything. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If y'all enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. It's been your boy Frosty. Peace.